not friends anymore, or I don't live close to my friends again. For my friends going to come for me, are going to be like your family members, right? Hey guys, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're new to this channel, my name is Tofunmi and this is my channel where I discuss relationships, lifestyle and my faith. I am a Christian content creator. Welcome to 2025. I deliberately did not post any video on YouTube since January because I just wanted everybody to relax, refresh. Let me not bring too much background to you this new year. Let me just bring something fresh, something exciting, something beautiful, and something that would, bring value to your spirit. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, in this video I'm going to be talking about shooting friendship shots. So this topic is quite, I don't know, it's a bit here and there, because once you hear shooting shots, the first thing that comes to your head is shooting shot at the opposite sex, shooting shot at a man or at a woman. That is not the only time you can shoot shots. You can shoot shots for jobs, you can shoot friendship shots, you can shoot business shots. In business they call it pitching your tent, sending cold emails and all of that. But that's not why we are here today, guys. I think that a lot of us have gotten to this age where these days when people talk about friendships, you hear things like, oh, I've outgrown my old friendships, I've done this, I've done that. For me and my friends, we had issues and we don't talk again, we are not friends anymore, or I don't live close to my friends again. Jackpot has affected a lot of friendships, jobs, a lot of things affect friendship generally, right? But what I want you to know is that you cannot do life without friendships. Friendship is very, very important, regardless of how you can't live life alone. Life was not designed for us to live it alone, right? That is the first thing you have to know. So you need friendship. And why do you need friendship? The number one reason why you need friendship is for community. You need to have a safe sense of community, a safe space where you are sure that you are safe outside of your family, because sometimes our family members might be biased. Let's not lie, let's not stay, because even myself, sometimes I'm biased on behalf of my siblings, but at the end of the day, we need friends that are going to call a spade a spade. And also, as regards to siblings, because sometimes if you're the first child like me, so your siblings might not be able to say something. So you need a community of people that you can be vulnerable with, that you can speak with, that you can relate with regarding any topic. And you are sure that you are doing what the advice they are giving you is correct. They are not advising you based on themselves, or they're advising you based on this or that. They are being sincere and they are being correct with you. Another reason why you need friends, why friendship is important, is related to the person community, but this one is for support. When you want to do new things, when you are getting married, you are getting a new job, you are looking for a new job, you are moving to a new location, you need the support. Support is not only financially. Look, financial is there, don't I didn't say it's not there. Financial is there, but it's not just for the financial support alone, right? You need friends that can be there for you, that can, sometimes your friends can be the one that will help you move. And some of these strings that you pull around are the reason why you don't need to spend extra cash sometimes, not all the time though, sometimes. So you need the support. You need people that can be there for you, that you are sure that, let me just call my friend. If I call my friend right now, my friend is going to pull through for me, my friend is going to come through for me. That is why, another reason why you need friendship. Now the third reason is because of family. You need friends that are going to be like your family members, right? I know that a lot of us think that friendships is just the best quotes like friends like sisters, right? There are some friends that become family, and the kind of friendship that you keep right now is kind of connections that your children are going to rely on. Fine, you have your siblings, you have all of those ones, those are natural connections, but you have to be willing to make connections that are not natural, that are not God-given. Yes, your friends are God-given, but your siblings, you can't throw them away. You can't leave them and go elsewhere. That's what I'm trying to say. So you cannot leave that alone. You cannot leave that alone. So what you need is friends that are going to be like family. You need something, and it's not about money. Oh, my friend ate this place, let me just give in a word or two on your behalf. That is part of why you need friendships. How do you make friends? How and where do you make friends? Okay, let me start with where you make friends. There are lots of places where you can make friends. In church, where you work, in your neighborhood, in the same line of business, online, on social media. People make a lot of friends on social media. I, for one, I have made a lot of friends from social media. Now that you know where you can make friends, right? How do you make friends? Number one, you can shoot shots. Yeah, but before you shoot shots, don't just go around shooting sporadic shots at people. Don't just go around telling people that, oh, I like you, I like your hair, can we be friends? Don't do that. You can just monitor people, try to be in their circle, try to be in their safe space. Not safe space, try to be in their space for a while. So if it's online, you can try by commenting their pictures all the time. Make comments, reasonable comments, not just go sis, hi girl, oh god, just no. Make reasonable comments every time. When you post a picture, make reasonable comments. One day curiosity is going to make them come to your page and like, oh okay, I like what I see. If they do not reciprocate, please say day your day. But if they reciprocate, you can take it off from there. And you'll be surprised that sometimes when you comment on people's posts, when you share your opinion or your thoughts on something they posted, you'll be surprised that people are even more willing than you to make friends with you than you think. That's number one. Number two is by being in the same circle with them. So if you like somebody and you know somebody that's in their circle already, you can tell them, oh, I like this your friend. I like her vibe. I like the way she dresses. I like the way she speaks. I like that she has a lot of wisdom. I like her stance on some topics that me myself that I share the same value with. Can you just introduce us? So they bring you to the circle and they're like, oh, this is my friend. And you guys start talking. And from there, you kick things off. But please, I'm just sound this warning that in this line of shooting friendship shots and looking for friends, ensure that your values align. No, I'm shooting friendship shot as someone that you know that you have opposing views and values on everything. No, they won't be like that. Because at the end of the day, you're going to regret, both of you are going to regret it, and you're going to start having some nonsense drama that you do not need. What you need right now is community, right? You need a safe space, right? You need a support system, right? I need family, right? So look for people that share the same value. They reason with you. They share the same value. You think alike. You have the same stance on important issues, important societal issues. Then you can make friends with them. Don't mind making friends with somebody that you have opposing views, like your personalities are just way apart. Nah. Also, look for people that have similar directions. So sometimes when I want to shoot friendship shots, I look at someone doing something that I really want to do in the future. And I'm like, I like what this person is doing. So in future I want to do it. So let me just be in their space so that they can mentor me. I'm a fashion designer, and sometimes I shoot friendship shots at other fashion designers. Like, oh, I like this thing that you do. I comment on their jobs, and sometimes they come back to my page, come and comment like, oh, really, this is also nice, and they do that. I hope you have learned a thing or two from this video. Let me know in the comment section what you learned. Let me know in the comment section your experience using friendship shots. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.